Hello great viewers, as you can see this is the GS160 grinding machine. So in this video I want to teach you how to start this generator, how to operate it. Yeah, I'm teach you how to operate a grinding machine. So firstly, what you are going to do, you are going to on your switch. Yeah, you on your switch, you can see. The second thing to do now is to on your fuel tap. This is the tap. Yeah, take it down. As you can see, take it down. The third thing to do is to take the choke to the left. As you can see, we're taking the choke to the left. So the last thing to do is to what? To drag. Drag. So you drag. So I off it myself. So if you when I start this, then I have to return this choke back. So you have to return the choke back. It was noisy, so you can't hear what I was saying. That's why I did not say anything then. So you return the choke back when you start the generator to this place. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We love you.